Hey guys, it's the 8th of October. Today is a good day for me. We've got a special unboxing for you. Oh, it's special to me. I have finally managed to buy a new laptop. It's an Apple MacBook Pro and I'm just absolutely buzzing. And also today I've got my helper, Rion, my son. Say hi, Rion.
Hi.
And yeah, let's just get this over and done with. Let's have a look. I am one excited mofo. So, Roo, this is the big moment. You're going to do the unveiling for me. Go for it. Oh, here it comes. You guys do not understand how much of a big deal this is for me. I have bought and sold Apple computers for 10 years. And this is the first time I've actually been able to buy the one that I actually wanted. And here it is. The box. It's magnificent. So we've got the 13-inch 2020 MacBook Pro. It's the 2 GHz quad-core version with 16 gig of RAM, 512 gig hard drive, all that good stuff. I did actually buy, even though it looks brand new, it is actually a certified refurb model. So yeah, the only difference is it has that there. Other than that, it's as new. So I'm just going to let my assistant take off the wrapper again because he's quite excited about this too. So what you need to do, Roo, is pull this. Nice one. Awesome sauce. Then what you want to do is flip the box over. My light's perhaps a bit bright. Flip the box over. That's it. Then just lift up the sides. And there we have it. The laptop. Right, so we'll lift this bit out. Take this out of the way for now. Pop that over there. So what we've got in the box is USB Type-C power cable. Just obviously, look, even though this is a certified refurbished, it is from Apple, so they're just like brand new basically. And then we've got your power brick, also with the plug. I do still have one of the old extensions from this other laptop that I've got here. This is my my daily driver at the minute. But yeah, that's it. I'm guessing in here you get your usual Apple stickers. Yep, Apple stickers. Oh, they're a different colour as well. Space grey Apple stickers. Nice. I've not seen those before. I'll add that to my collection. I'm probably got about 40 different sets at the minute from various other builds and stuff that I've had for other people and for myself. But yeah, I'm going to dive right in on the other camera and show you the first boot of the computer and get it set up and test the motherfucker out. Epic. So we're going to just flip the laptop over, have a little look at it, and see if we can open this up. So just looking at this straight away, you can see even though it's a certified refurb, I mean this is just a brand new laptop. There is absolutely no difference. I've unboxed brand new Macs plenty of times and this, it doesn't have a mark on it. I mean it is an absolutely stunning machine. So I think these just boot automatically, and so I'll remove the little screen cloth, and as you can see, it's already booted up. It's already getting ready for first user. The screen's immaculate. Everything on this is brand new. There is no Nothing at all. Look at the beautiful massive trackpad. It's got the touch bar, the escape key. I'm going to get this set up.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Just ignore him a minute. I'm going to get this set up and I'm going to let you guys have a proper look at it. Nearly set up. Enable Siri. We'll set that up later. I'm not going to bother sharing any audio recordings. No, not bothered about iCloud for now. We'll do all that later. It's probably going to ask me for loads of fingerprints and stuff now. We'll do all that later. Oh, the fingerprint scanner is really responsive. It's better than the one on my iPhone, I think. That was nice and quick. So just, I think Touch ID is gonna, oh yeah, so you can do Apple Pay with it. I'm a proper virgin to all these new MacBooks. My other one's like 2014, it's much older. It knows my bank details already. Great stuff, we'll add all that later. Dark mode, because we just like dark mode. I can't see why anybody else go any other way, it's much better on my eyes. True tone display. Do we like that? I quite like that without that. Right, this is it. We're rolling. Oh, nice. So, a couple of little tweaks what I do every time I get a new Mac. So, dock preferences, let's make that a bit smaller. I'm old school, I like to have a bit of a smaller dock and I like to have the magnification rolling as well. And also, I still like to have my Bluetooth icon and I still like it to make a noise when I change my volume. I know it's proper anal, but I have to have it all working exactly how every Mac's ever worked that I've had it. I've started using Mac stuff in 2006 and you know, I've just found what works best for me. And I think that's the beauty of it, it's getting things so they work exactly how you like them. So now I can do tap to click and, you know, everything just looks nice. If I turn my volume up, it makes a noise. Right, here we go. Oh, this is all new for me. I'm not used to any of this. The speakers sound really good on this. So I think it has got the same speakers in this model as the 16-inch MacBook as well. Which are obviously going to be quite decent. Let's put GarageBand on quickly. I don't know if it's going to ask me to download a hell of a load of updates. God knows, I'll get Logic whacked on it later and start having a mess about with Logic on it. Sounds pretty good, that. And if you look on here, you're getting all these like little settings so you can tweak the bass. This is why I wanted the touch bar, because it's just all these different things here just going to make it so much better. I'm hoping it's the same experience in Logic Pro as well. I've not got Logic on this yet, like I said, but yeah, that's it really. I just want to give you an idea of how fast this is compared to the other one I've got as well. So let's just find something that usually takes a little bit of time to load. So Safari, pretty much instant. It's probably not going to be much different now. Safari on this one, pretty much quicker. Obviously it is a new laptop though, so it'll get better the more you use it. Let's try it from a fresh again. So Safari, pretty damn quick. And then Safari on this one, instant. That's better. And it started pulling all my my bookmarks as well, because I've logged in with my Apple ID. Thought I'd just give it a little Blackmagic speed test. I think my old laptop was 550 megs, so it's much quicker. And it's small. Happy days. that's pretty much it. If you want to see any more videos on this or find out how I'm doing with it, please drop me a message in the comments section. But other than that, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. Have a good day.